Introducing the Quest 3 128GB Breakthrough Mixed Reality Powerful Performance Asgard's Wrath 2 Bundle. Are you ready to dive into extraordinary experiences from the comfort of your own home? With the epic new Asgard's Wrath 2 included a $499.99 value, immerse yourself in the captivating world of virtual reality. Experience gaming like never before as virtual elements seamlessly blend into your actual surroundings. The Quest 3 128GB is the most powerful Quest yet, boasting next-level performance with more than double the graphic processing power of its predecessor. Get ready for dazzling visuals with a 4K plus infinite display, offering a nearly 30% leap in resolution from the previous model. Reach out and touch virtual worlds with Touch Plus controllers, providing fine-tuned precision and realistic sensations. With Direct Touch, navigate without controllers using just your hands for a truly immersive experience. Explore the world's best library of over 500 immersive apps and games across gaming, fitness, wellness, entertainment, and social experiences. With up to 2.2 hours of usage on average, you can play what you love longer. Experience maximum comfort with personalized fit options and a redesigned slimmer profile compared to its predecessor. Plus, rest assured knowing that everyone in the family can safely explore with built-in privacy features and supervision tools. Miss out on the ultimate mixed reality experience. Click the link in the description to get your Quest 3 128GB now for just $499. Transform your home into an exciting new playground with the Quest 3 128GB. Order yours today.